How to remove the Fiat Panda 150 series door panel and handle. We will start next to the door pull handle. Over here there is a little plastic cover which you'll need to remove. And then underneath this cover there will be a Allen key screw. This one over here, go ahead and remove this screw. Next, where the door open handle is, you can use your fingers and just pop out this cover here, and underneath there will be another Allen key screw. Next, to the side of the door panel, there are two Phillips screws that you need to remove. For the next part, on the inside of the door panel, there are clips, and these clips, you need to pull the door panel off. Keep in mind that they can break. I do not recommend using a flathead metal screwdriver. I recommend using a plastic tool, as you can damage the panel or the door itself. But you'll need to get in between the door panel and the door and then unclip the door as you go. You can use a clip remover. If you do have a proper clip remover, the clips can still break in the process. Most of the time they don't break. And one trick is, when you pull this door panel off, when you want to refit, make sure the clips on the inside are actually on the door panel and not on the door itself. It makes refitting much easier. So now that I've pulled the bottom part of the door panel out, what I need to do is slide it upwards to detach it from the window sill. So it doesn't look up from this position because the door is off the car, but you need to push it up. And then it will detach like this. And then we will detach the door open handle on the inside. This one over here. Now from this position over here, there's a clip locking part over here that you just push, and then you can pull this white section out. And then you'll need the locking mechanism that actually locks it onto the door open handle. This part here, you'll need to pull it off. As it locks in turning clockwise, you need to turn it anti-clockwise or to the left, and then you can pull this off. Now that the door panel is completely off, the soundproof, you can cut it out with a razor. And for the door handle now, there are two Torx screws that you can see. There's one there and one in this little circular hole underneath the soundproof cover. Remove both of these Torx screws. The metal rod that connects from the door lock to this door handle, you should remove it first, but I forgot to remove it when I was pulling the door handle off. So when you're taking the door handle off, you'll need to open as if you're opening the door, and then you can pull it out. Say like I opened it and then I forgot to take the rod off, and it came off even without me doing it properly from the inside. But what you would do is, from the inside, this metal piece, when the door handle is on, you just pull it upwards and it will detach. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.